Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what Bitcoin is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, guys. So I haven't changed the fibs too much. I'm still drawing the same fibs from the 20,000 high from 2017 all the way down to the low of December 2018. So looking at the daily chart, it looks like we are struggling to break this 50% retracement. So that's a 11.5 level. So looking a little bit more into this, I mean, definitely we do want to blast through that, and ultimately we definitely want to blast through the 61% retracement of the bigger swing high. Because if not, if we just kind of go all the way back to, let's see, August 17 of 2020, and then we pull back, and then we're gonna get in trouble and we're gonna start pulling lower. But looking at this a little bit deeply, so the reason why we're struggling a lot at this 50% retracement, if we draw some fibs from the high of June 26, 2019, so we'll draw the fibs from there all the way back to what, March 13th low of 2020. That is a 78% retracement. So the inverted fib of the 78% retracement, guys, is 23%. So that fib is very important because that's typically the trend is changing. So we're gonna encounter a lot of resistance there, and I think that's why we're struggling to break higher. Because just looking at this, that's your main issue right there. If we take this fibs off, just take this off, and we draw some fibs again from August 17 of 2020 to what, September 8 of 2020. Our next target, it's 11, basically 11.9. That's our next target. And if we look at this a little bit closely, look at this. From the swing high to the swing low, we are holding right at the 61% retracement. Oh, by the way, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way we're going to help out the channel to reach 7 billion people. I mean, we have this channel is to help each other out, because we want to stop using the crooks. So that being said, guys, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys. We're holding right at the 61% retracement, which is good. I mean, if we start breaking lower, or line in the sand will definitely be our next support line will be the 20-day moving average, so about 10.8 or so. And we also have this trend line that goes all the way back from March 30 of 2020 and is still holding. So I believe around the 10.8 level we were line of the sand. I mean, if we start breaking lower, and then our next line in the sand will be 9,600 or so, because that's where the 200-day moving average. Now, equity's been pretty bullish right now, so I think because crypto, we've been following the equities for some reason a lot lately, so I think we're definitely gonna pass through this. And I am still holding long this. I have a stop loss at the 50% retracement, so 11,139. I got a long here, which was a few days ago. So I'm still holding long this. And ultimately, once we go past the 78% retracement, then our next target is what, the 12.5 or so. And then from 12.5, definitely the 61% retracement, so 13.5 will be a huge level. because if we get passed through that, then we're in business. We're gonna be pulling. The next level will be 14 and then 16. So we do have some room to go in the upside right now. So just keep that in mind, guys. Like I said, if you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.